Assalamualaikum class 4. I hope you all are doing great. So class, today is 7th of September 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Fine. So who will tell me what we have discussed yesterday? Very good. We have discussed co-prime numbers. Isn't class? Co-prime numbers. So first of all, you tell me, who will tell me what are prime numbers? Prime numbers क्या होते हैं? Yes, Sadeem, you tell me what are prime numbers? Very good. Those numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Those numbers having 1 and itself are the factors. वही होते हैं prime number. Fine. Now what is factor mean? Factor क्या होता है? Who will tell me? Yes, Abdul Basit, you tell me what are factors? Very good. Factors are simply the numbers which we will divide by a given number. Okay? Which we will divide a given number, leaving no remainder in the end. So we will simply write the given number is a factor of that given number. Okay? We have also discussed some of the properties of factors. The first property of factor, who will tell me? Yes, Abdul Rahman. Very good. For factors we have discussed, the first property is 1 is a factor of every number. Fine. 1 क्या होता है? हमारे पास factor होता है हर number का. Now who will tell me what is the second property that we have discussed in previous lesson? G. Hanan, you tell me. Very good. Every number is a factor of itself. हर जो नंबर है वो क्या होगा? फैक्टर होगा किसका? खुद का. Very good. Now the third property we have discussed for factors is, who will tell me? Yes, Azan, you tell me. Very good. Every factors are unlimited. उनकी कोई लिमिट नहीं होती. ठीक है? They are uncountable. So these are the properties that we have discussed for factors yesterday. Now we have two numbers and we want to find co-prime numbers. Fine. First we have 2 and 3. The other number is 3. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? Simply, who will tell me what are co-prime numbers? क्या होते हैं हमारे पास co-prime numbers? Very good. Two numbers which have only 1 as their common factor. ठीक है? तो हम क्या करेंगे? अगर 1 हमारे पास common factor उसमें आएगा तो वो क्या होते हैं? co-prime numbers. For example, now I am going to write all the factors one by one, which is like this. So we have first number which is 2. Who will tell me what are the factors of 2? हाँ जी, क्या होगा factor 2 का? Very good. 1 and itself. 2 is only even prime number. 1 तो हर किसी का होता है factor. इसके बाद 2 itself है. Fine. Now the next number which is 3. What are the factors of 3? Is 3 a prime number, class? Very good. Hadia? So what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. Now what is the next step? Who will tell me? Yes, Shumaima, you tell me. we have only one as a common factor, which is 1. 1 is involve both numbers. So I will extract it like this. Now, common factor in between 2 and 3 we have 1. So should I write 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers? क्या लिख सकती हूँ मैं? Why I will write like this? क्यों लिखूंगी मैं? Because for co-prime numbers we have discussed the fact which is two numbers we have only one as their common factor. ठीक है, इसमें 1 क्या है? Common factor है. So हम क्या करेंगे? The numbers which are given are co-prime numbers. Fine. Now class, this is all related to your previous lesson. Today we will do exercise in which the first question is fill in the blanks. The blanks. A part I have the common factors of 2 and 3 is the common factor of 2 and 3 is dash. जी, क्या common factors होंगे 2 and 3 के? Who will tell me? Yes, Taha, you tell me. Very good. First of all, we will write all the factors which are involved in 2 and 3. One by one we will write. Now first number is 2 and the next number which is 3. I am going to write all the factors. So what are the factors of 2? Very good. 1 and itself. Fine. Now we have the next number which is 3. इसके फैक्टर लिखेंगे which are 1 and 3. Now what is the next step? अब क्या होगा हमारा next step? What will be the next step? According to statement, we want to find common factors of 2 and 3. So we will extract the common factor in it. So what is the common factor? Very good. We have 1 is common factor in between two numbers which is 2 and 3. So we will write 1 here. Okay? सबको clear है? Now we have other part which is B. We have B part. The common factors of 32 the common factors of 32 and 4 are 2 and dash. क्या स्टेटमेंट है क्लास हमारे पास? द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 32 and 4 are 2 and dash. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? सिंपली to circle or extract common factors, first of all we will write all the factors which are involved in the numbers. So हमारे पास numbers क्या हैं? Very good. We have two numbers which is 32 and 4. I will write 32 and 4 here. Now who will tell me what are the factors of 32? How many factors we have for 32? क्या करेंगे हम जी 32 के लिए? फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे हम जल्दी से. क्या होते हैं 32 के फैक्टर्स? Very good. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 class and think up. Okay, now we will simply write the factors of 4. As you all of you know class, 4 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. So 1 is a factor of 4 because as I told you 1 is a factor of every number. Now 2 is a factor of 4 because 2 is when we will multiply 2 into 2 we have 4. So 2 is a factor of 4. Very good. Now 3 is not a factor of 4 because it having some remainder when we will divide 4 by 3. ठीक है, जब हम 4 को 3 पे डिवाइड करते हैं हमारे पास कुछ रिमाइंडर आ जाता है. Then in the end we have 4. एंड पे हमारे पास क्या होगा 4. Now we will extract common factors in it. Next step क्या होगा, extract or encircle the common factors in between 32 and 4. Fine class? Okay. First of all we will extract 1 because this is common in between of 2. 1 is a factor of every number. Now we have a same number which is involved in 2. क्या है वो 2. Now we have another number which is 4. According to statement we have the common factors of 32 and 4 are 2 and dash. एक तो 2 1 तो हमें पता है सबका फैक्टर होता है, उसने इस वजह से यहाँ नहीं लिखा. अब 2 से लिख दिया है कि 2 is a factor and what is the next factor which is common in between 32 and 4. First तो 2 था and the other is 4. So we will simply write 4 in the blank. Okay class, this is how we can solve the common factors of 32 and 4. Is it clear to all of you? Fine. Now we have C part which is the common factors of 8 and 16 are. We will do the same. जब word common factor का use होगा, first step we will simply write all the factors. In second step we will extract the common factors and then third we will write the common factor in it. Fine. Now we have C part which is the common factors of 32 and 16. The common factors of 8 and 16 are. 8 and 16 के हमें common factors चाहिए. So very first step we will write all the factors which are involved in 8 and 16. क्या करेंगे हम? Simply we will write the numbers which are divisible by 8. हाँ जी. Who will tell me what are the factors of 8? As I told you class, the properties of factors we have discussed. 1 is a factor of every number. यही पढ़ा था हम लोगों ने कि 1 जो है वो सबका फैक्टर होगा. So we will simply write 1 here. One is a factor of every number. Fine. Now for 8, what are the factor after 1? Should I write 2 here? 2 is a factor of 8. Very good. Yes. 2 4 times 8 because it has no remainder in the end, so I will write 2 here. ठीक है? 2 is a factor of 8. Now is 3 is a factor of 8? Should I say? क्या मैं कह सकती हूँ? No, because it leaving some remainder. ठीक है? तो 3 is not a factor of 8. Now 4 is a factor of 8 class. Yes. As you all know, 4 2 times 8. 4 2 times 8. So exactly divisible है, so I will write 4. 7 is a factor of 8. 3 is not a factor of 16. So 4 is a factor of 16, class? No, 4 is not a factor. Yes, 4 is a factor of 16 because 4 times 16. 5 के टेबल पे भी नहीं होगा, 6 पे भी नहीं होगा, 7 पे भी 16 नहीं आता. So should I say 8 is a factor of 16? Very good. 8 is a factor of 16. I will do it. I will write it. Fine. And itself. Fine. Now what is my next step? क्या करूँगी अब मैं? Very good. I will extract or circle the common factors which are involved in it. So if you look, 1 is common in between. I will write 1 here. 2 is common in it. I will write 2 here. And 4 is also common in it. I will write 4 here. If you look, 8 is also common in it. So I will extract or circle it. Now I will write 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8, common factors of 8 and 16. So I will write here 2, 4 and 8. Fine. The common factors of 8 and 16 are 2, 4 and 8. Fine. So this is C part, class. Now we have next part, which is D. The HCF of 8, 10 and 12 is dash. HCF of 8, 12 and 16 dash. So who will tell me first of all what is HCF stands for? जी क्या होता है HCF stands for? Highest common factor. ठीक है, कॉमन फैक्टर जब हम निकालते हैं उसमें से हम क्या देखेंगे? हाईएस्ट कॉमन. जो उसमें से हाईएस्ट होगा we will write in the blank. So D part, the highest common factor, the highest common factor of 8, 10 and 12. The highest common factor of 8, 10 and 12 is, so first of all we will write the factors of 8, 10 and 12 one by one. As you know, class, 8, 1, 2, 4 and itself, which is 8. Now we have a factor which is 10. 1 is a factor of every number. 2 is a factor of every number. 5 is a factor of 10. Oh, so 2 is a factor of 10. 5 is a factor of 10 and itself. ठीक है? कैसे पता चला हमें कि ये इसके फैक्टर्स हैं? Because 2 5 times 10 exactly divisible है. 5 2 times 10. It has no remainder in the end, so it is a factor of 10 and itself. Now in the end we have 12. 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 12. Should I say, class? 2 कह सकते हो कि factor है ये? G. 3 is a factor of 12. Yes, think up. Very good. As you all know, 3 4 times 12. Now the next number, which is 4. So should I write 4 is a factor of 12? क्या मैं लिख सकती हूँ 4 जो है वो factor है 12 का? Very good. I will write 4 here, which is a factor of 12. It leaves no remainder in the end. Fine. Now the next number, which is 5. Should I write 5 is a factor of 12? No. Exactly divisible तो नहीं है ना? That's why. Now the next number, which is 6. Should I write 6 is a factor of 12? Very good. 6 2 times 12 leaves no remainder in the end. So 6 is a factor of 12. And and 12. ना ही 7 होगा, ना ही 8 होगा, ना ही 9, ना ही 10. So itself is a factor of 12. Now we will extract the common numbers in it, which is 1, 2 and 4 is 1 and 2. क्या हमारे पास कॉमन इसमें से आ रहा है 1 and 2. So we will write first of all common number which is 1 and 2. Now in the end we want to find HCF. So HCF stands for highest common number factor. So अब इसमें से highest कौन सा है 1 and 2 में से which number is highest? Yes, Abdul Rahman. Very good. 2. So we will write 2 here, which is highest common factor in 8, 10 and 12. Fine. So this is how we can solve the HCF of 8, 10 and 12. You have to solve all the objectives related to HCF common factor on your book. If you find still any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.